Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, what will be our topic today? What do you want to talk about?
Well,
You choose your topic.
no, you choose.
What else? It's really hard. Wait, Miha. We need to choose one topic, me, so we can talk about. Okay, so me, what sort of phone is famous in your country?
What
Phone that is famous in your country?
phone? I think it's iPhone.
iPhone?
Yeah.
How about Samsung? Is Samsung
Yeah,
famous?
yeah.
Samsung too?
Yeah, something too.
Famous also?
Yeah, but also.
Okay.
But both of them are
Nice.
very expensive.
Yeah, or what phone is your mom using?
iPhone.
Your phone, what iPhone?
Uh, um, smartphone.
Smartphone, what iPhone? iPhone 15, iPhone 12.
Um, maybe
Mm-hmm.
iPhone, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how about Samsung? Is Samsung famous?
Yeah, yeah, famous. But I don't like Samsung. I like iPhone.
Mm-hmm. The Samsung is also famous. Um, I I had my new Samsung phone like this. Mhm. Why?
Oh.
I had my that's the new Samsung phone. Okay, because it's quite new one, and then when I bought it new, there's a pods like this. There's a in pods like this.
Huh?
It's quite nice. Okay. What else do you want to talk? Okay, I will share it to you. Basin ka ni. Okay. So how are you today?
I'm great. Because
Ah,
today,
mm-hmm.
but
Today, the
but
weather?
I test at school.
Oh, how's your
Yeah.
test, by the way?
All of subject.
It's okay?
Math, literature, geography, history, science, art,
Mm.
music, PE. It's very
How many subjects do you have?
wait. One. I
Oh,
think more than 10 subjects.
mm-hmm. 10 oh my God, so many.
More than.
So many.
Yeah.
Okay, you got so many. Okay. So what do you usually do? Well, when? Well, when will be your test? Today?
No. On 26th
Ah, 26 December, December 26. Yeah, in my
December.
country, we don't have class at that time already. No class anymore.
Um,
Yeah, at that time
we,
in my
we,
country,
we will have the year. We will have the year.
uh, we don't have class anymore.
Oh.
Mm. Okay, because on December 16, we have December 16, we're going to have 16. Wait, 16, we're going to have Christmas party. Okay, and 19, we're going to have Christmas party too for wait, I have some questions. Do you know the word cheerful? What do you mean by cheerful for you?
Vegetable.
Cheerful, it means you are?
Happy.
Happy or cheerful? Are you cheerful always?
Mm, just sometime. No, often.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, how about outgoing? Are you outgoing type of person? Do you like to go out or you don't like to go out?
Yeah.
Mm, okay. So how about childish? Are you still childish?
Childish. Um. mm, I don't know. Maybe yes.
Mm, okay. How about reckless? Are you reckless?
Request. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Considerate. Are you considerate?
Considerate. No. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, considerate. Like example, uh your dad will give you something, and then your mom said that, oh me, you cannot have it yet because you have to have this first. Okay. So will you say, oh, I don't like it, mom, or you will say, oh, it's okay? What will you do?
Oh.
You will gonna say,
I can be considerate because I'm very reckless.
oh, you're very reckless. Okay. This one. Okay. Are you shy? Are you shy type of person? Your personality. Is me
Yes,
shy?
shy sometimes when I
Uh,
speak to the
other people?
yeah other people.
Oh, but you're not shy at me.
because uh
Because you're not shy anymore.
because I studied with you more than 1 year, so
One
it
year already?
yeah.
Yee! 1 year?
So I think it's normal to speak with you.
Yeah, and so you're not shy anymore. You're happy always. Okay, by the way, we supposed to have class with Tono today, but Tono said, oh wait, I will ask. But Tono said it's night. I don't know what Tono mean. And she said, hi teacher. Yes, we are having class. We are having class with me. And then, okay, so you're not shy at me. Okay, are you Modi? Oh, are you Modi?
Molly, um, Molly? Yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay, why? Why you think you are Modi?
because when for examples,
Mm.
yesterday I was happy,
Mm-hmm.
and but my friend, my classmate, who is sit next to me is very is like is very reckless.
Mm-mm.
So I don't want to sit with him, and he is always make me like angry,
Mm-hmm. And then,
and then I want to shout. I want to like I want to hit him.
so sometimes you're happy, but sometimes you're angry. Okay. So, okay, this one. Another personality. Are you hardworking?
Hardworking?
Yeah.
No,
Hmm?
no. I think just I hardworking just 50%.
50% hardworking. And where are the other 50?
Other is lazy.
Ah! Why are you listening? Because
I don't want to do anything
you don't like to do anything?
like homework.
Of course, homework is quite hard. Okay, it's really hard to make homework, especially if it's so many anymore. Okay, are you selfish?
What?
Are you
Selfish?
selfish?
No.
You're not?
Yeah, not.
Okay. Okay. Are you kind?
Kind.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes.
Or why sometimes only?
Um.
Why
Sometimes
sometimes
I
only?
wait when I feel happy to my friend.
Mm-hmm.
I will kind, and when the person make me angry, the person make me hate them and angry, I will like it's like not kind. I don't
Mm-hmm.
know how to talk. It's not kind.
Okay. So you're kind. When you are angry, you're not kind. When you're not angry, you are kind. Okay.
When I'm angry, I will kind, and
I
when
am
I'm
kind.
angry,
Okay.
yeah, and when I angry, I will feel like mm,
Okay. How about
no, it's like I will
kind?
angry and turn into a demon,
You turn into demon?
like that.
Oh my God.
I'm very angry
Mm-hmm.
and like sao nhỉ? And ferocious.
Okay. So here now, look at this. What is your idea about wait, what is your idea about toys? Do you like to play toys still?
When I was a child, I like to play a
Mm-hmm.
doll, a doll,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. And but when I like older,
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to play. I think it's boring. It's not excited.
Mm-hmm. So toys. What is your favorite toys? Do you still play toys or not anymore?
No, I don't want to play toys.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What are your thoughts about kids playing toys?
Keep playing toys? What?
What, yeah,
What?
what is, what is your idea about kids playing toys?
Kids playing toy. I think
Yeah.
it's up to them because uh it have to play the toys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it depends of them.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Okay. So, how do you feel if you see a kid playing toys? How do you feel?
Uh, if they play toy
Yeah.
and it's it's naughty, I will feel
Mm-hmm.
like uh,
Like,
I will feel uncomfortable.
okay, comfortable. Okay. Example, you have younger sister. Okay, your younger sister is 5 years old and she wants to play your favorite toy. What will you do?
I will say that. No, you are 5 years old and you have to study now. At 6 year you are going to you will go to grade one to so you
Mm.
have to study, not toy anymore.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So here, this is agreement. When you say agreement, okay, me, your mom said, me, you have to do this, okay? And you will say, yes, I agree, 100%. Okay. Here, let us have this. We will not talk about grammar because you're good at this already. Are you good at this? Okay. How your personality changed me as you grew up when you were just little, like kids. How your personality changed.
I think when I was younger, when I was a child,
Mm.
I like pink. I like pink, and but
You
when
like
I
pink.
grow, yeah,
And
and
then,
it's and when I grow up now, I like white and black because pink is so I think it's pink is so cute. I don't want it.
okay.
Black
So, but now,
black
what
is
is your
for
favorite
different.
color? If you like pink before, now what is your favorite color?
Black and white.
Okay, black and white. Oh. Why you choose black and white? Why you don't like to choose
Because
other color?
it's beautiful because they beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, aside from color, what changes your personality? You told me you changed color from pink to black and white. How about the dress, the way you dress?
Dress.
Yeah.
Uh, when I go to the kindergarten,
Mm.
I always like wear dress, a
Wear
pink
dress.
dress.
Mm.
Yeah, wear dress. It's always like pink dress.
Mm-hmm.
Um, pink dress. Pink dress and the kind of dress is like a
Mm.
is and the kind of dress it's like
And then it's what kind before you like the dress, but now you don't
uh,
like anymore.
but now I like to wear jeans.
Wow, you changes. You like to wear
Like
jeans.
jeans and wear shorts. Yeah.
Mm.
And but when I was a child,
Mm.
I wear a dress. It's very how to say? I don't know. It's the kind of dress it's like princess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but now, of course, you don't like it anymore. You have other preferences.
Yeah. Other thing.
Mm. Okay, so next one. Oh, how computers may affect your life. Okay, look at this picture. How computers affect your life.
Computer is very useful and very convenient to
Mm-hmm.
study, to translate from English to
Mm-hmm.
Vietnamese, and we can listen or we can watch movie on it. But work work or play with it a long hour, a long time is make me feel tired.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and make everyone feel tired and I think
Okay, what else? Okay, look at this. They are enjoying the computer. Look at this one. How about
yeah
this?
I say but when we work or we play and a long time on internet on computer we'll feel tired and
Mm-hmm.
eyes strained.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So we feel tired, of course, when you work very hard. Like if we're sitting in the chair and for a quite long time, okay, of course, we feel tired.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts of learning online like this? What do you think? How does online learning like this, like what we did, help you a lot?
Learning online.
Yeah, like what we did. How does it help you?
Online is convenient and it's very diversity and I think is a better way to
Mm-hmm.
learn on online and we can and it's convenient to stay at home or to stay at home to study or learning online. We can bring the computer everywhere and we just started learning.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
And
and um, computer
mm-hmm.
and wait
And
and I think community have many apps, many many way to learn online. So I think it's can comfortable to learn on
mm,
online.
mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. So like this, you can learn or you can meet other people through online, like what you are doing. Teacher Ann is from another country, but we were able to meet, we were able to talk because of online teaching. If there's no
yeah,
online, of course, Teacher Ann, I cannot meet someone like you, someone like me, very funny girl. Okay, someone like Ono. Okay. So you're friends, right? The two of your friends? So that's why.
yeah. What?
That's the
Yeah.
reason why. Okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. So next one. What is your opinion about greenhouse effect? Do you know what is greenhouse effect? Hmm?
Greenhouse effect.
Greenhouse effect.
Oh, What is greenhouse effect?
Okay, greenhouse effect. What do you think? Oh, you search in YouTube. You tell me after. What is? Oh, search in YouTube. Search in YouTube. What is greenhouse effect?
I think greenhouse effect is affect wait as my opinion in greenhouse I know what is greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effects me. My opinion is the greenhouse effect is the process through which heat is trapped near Earth's surface by
Mm,
known as uh, greenhouse effect. It's like a cozy blanket enveloping our planet,
mm,
helping to maintain a warmer temperature that it would have otherwise.
mm,
Greenhouse consists of, I think, I think it's, I think greenhouse is had carbon dioxide, uh, nitrous, maybe, uh,
mm-hmm. What else?
well, let me think. Um, wait me, okay. The greenhouse effect will create zeros, environmental pollution. It's like pollution water, uh, pollution and water pollution, which factors that make me that make people diseases and affected in the system at human health. A lot of brain and sunshine will be favorable conditions for many infections, bacteria of multiply and develop. So finally, I think greenhouse effect is make pollution for water, for environmental uh, and for uh, air.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that is greenhouse effect is a great thing, okay, for you.
Oh, tell
So,
us.
so if you can look at this picture, okay, this is a beautiful place in Vietnam. Okay, so but then it's already polluted. Okay, the pollution, water pollution, air pollution has been here already. It's so it's so wait me someone texted me. Wait just a minute. Okay. So if you were gonna check here, so this is part of a beautiful city. But of course, we cannot deny the fact that this is not good environment anymore because it is already polluted. Okay, so many trashes, so many air pollution. But then, of course, we need to protect our place. Okay, in my country, it's very, very, some other places that are dirty. Now, do you like to listen to country music, Ni? And what is your favorite? Do you like to
Still
listen to country music? And what is your favorite?
country, my country.
Yeah, music like not so loud music.
Yes. My
Mm,
favorite singer is, do you know Ryder? Oh, I think you don't know.
okay, what is that?
The singer,
Mm-hmm.
it's is very, he can create um
What's this? What singer is
he
this?
can create
Ah, right
music
there. Yeah. And then
in my country.
in your country, he's famous.
Yeah, it's famous. He's very, very famous.
He's very famous. Okay. So, do you know the people here? Do you know these people?
I just know Taylor Swift.
Ah, Taylor Swift. Okay, Taylor Swift is the next one. Now, where do you want to see yourself in 10 years from now? Where do you want to
Where?
see yourself in 10 years from now? After 10 years, where do you want to see yourself?
Um, I don't know.
Where do you want to see yourself?
Wait me, please. Wait
Can you
me.
see yourself that you're already very successful? Oh, wait. 10 years. How old are you today? Today you
Wait
are?
me, please. Wait me, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, where do you want to see yourself 10 years from now? Hmm?
Well, mm,
Where do you want
I
to
don't
see
know.
yourself 10 years from now?
I don't
Oh,
know.
you are 9, right? So 10 years from now, you will be
No,
20. Hmm?
I'm 11.
11. Or 10 years from now, you will be 21. You finish your study in college.
21. I don't
You
know.
finish your
I think
study.
just in my house.
Just in your house. Of course, you were gonna
Yeah.
study. Maybe you were gonna work.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
21 is an adult.
Yeah, you will be an adult.
Yeah. But 11 years old is just a teenager.
Yeah, not teenager anymore, still kid. So you will be teenager when you will be 13.
No, shy. I study shy and it say
Ah, yeah.
teenage
Yeah, you
is
can set it's
10.
10, 13. But of course, when you will be in 11 and 12, that will be pre-teenager period. That's
Yeah.
pre-teenager period. Okay, so you can enjoy a lot. Oh, are you excited that you are teenager? Do you like someone in the class that you find it handsome? Do you have your crush?
Your what?
Do you have your crush?
No.
Oh, because you're too young.
Yeah, my mom like when you are when you when you more than uh 20, when you mature enough,
Mm.
you can love anyone you like, but but when you are a student, you can because you have to study.
Yeah, I understand. So you
Study
have,
will decide our life, so I think I will study first.
mm-hmm. You will study first. Okay. If you finish your study, you can be or you can find a job. Okay.
Yeah.
On. Okay. Nee, okay, this is the end of our class for today. Okay. Are you free Nee, on wait. Yeah. Tomorrow you're not free? Are you free tomorrow?
No, no.
You're busy? Oh, Monday. I will see you on Monday
We
again.
will have plans on Monday,
7:30 a.m. Okay?
7:30. Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. See you on Monday.
Bye bye.